What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I got an exciting one for you guys. Well, at least for me it's exciting. Today's the day that we're gonna finally drop the truck. As you guys can see, I got a full VAS kit. This is their 3.5 kit, which I did opt in to get the traction bar kit, the welded shock relocation kit. I also got the upper control arms, passenger and driver side, obviously, which are fully adjustable, as you guys can see. That's going to be great for when it's time to align the truck. They can get it spot on. This box here has pretty much the full flip kit, U-bolts and the full flip kit. I also did include my factory shackles. If you guys don't know, the truck currently is on 2-inch drop shackles with the rear block removed. So I believe this VAS kit will utilize the factory shackles. So I'm gonna take these factory shackles with me so they can put these on and get the 2-inch drop shackles off. But yeah, this is the flip kit. And then of course, you got full Viking shocks, front and rear, and the front is gonna have their coilover conversion. So front has coilover conversion, Viking, and then the rear has its Viking shocks. These are all fully adjustable on all 4 corners, so this is pretty much top of the line stuff here. So yeah, like I said, VAS 3.5 drop kit. Truck will not look the same after today. It's gonna be lowered and it will stay on the stock 17s for now. But I do have something in the works. You guys take a look over here. That right there are some tires that I've already ordered. Because yes, I am working on a new wheel and tire setup for when the truck is dropped, we can complete the look. I am gonna keep these stock 17s, so whenever I go out of town to work, I can slap those on while I'm out working, and then when I come back on days off, I'll go ahead and slap those bad boys there. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close up these boxes. We're gonna load up everything in the back, and we're gonna be headed over to my buddy's shop, GT Tire Shop. It's a local guy to me, cool guy. I'll leave the truck there. They'll probably take the better part of the day to complete the kit. That's fine. I'm in no rush. And I'll check in with you guys once the kit is complete and it's installed on the truck, and we'll run through every component. So as of right now, let's get to it. There you have it, guys. The truck is officially dropped. I do apologize if you guys can't hear the audio. It is a little windy out here, but I just picked up the truck from GT Tire Shop. Big shout out to Junior and Sergio out there. These guys knocked it out the park, man. If you guys are looking for any drop kits, lift kits, level kits, wheels and tires, these guys do it all. So big shout out to GT Tire Shop here in Brownsville. If you guys are in the area, look them up. Trust me, guys, you won't regret it. Let them earn your business. Believe in them. The truck came out perfect. Shock relocation was welded on. The weld was great. I'll show you guys some clips. But yeah, check it out, guys. What do y'all think? Finally. So I guess I'll start off in the back over here and show you guys the shock relocation kit underneath. As you guys can see, welded on. Then we do of course have the traction bars. You guys see that? Up front, we do have upper control arms. I don't know if I can squeeze my my camera in there. Let me give it a shot. There you guys go, upper control arms, and of course you have the Viking coilovers up front. Man, it's super windy. I apologize for the audio, guys, but let me know in the comment section below if you like it. I do have to adjust the compression and the rebound on the shocks. I guess I gotta fine tune it at the moment. Right now I believe everything's zeroed out in the back, and the front is like 6 and 6. Doesn't ride too bad the way it is, to be honest, but you know, I gotta do some research. I know Viking provides you with a sheet that'll say if you guys want comfort, you know, put it at these settings. If you want drag, put it at these settings. So I got some homework to do as far as fine tuning the suspension, but if you guys ask me, this thing came out nice. Once again, big shout out to GT Tire Shop. Junior said here, you guys, y'all did good, man. Oh yeah, by the way, you guys see this? I guess let me go ahead and give you guys a quick update. I did install the 21 and up GT manifold that I showed you guys in my last video. And I also did get a carbon fiber ram air kit. So that's what that filter is down here. That is a K&N. I just haven't oiled it. I don't like oiling any of my air filters. But yeah, 2018 GT, well, it's a 21 and up, same thing, right? But yeah, as far as the install on this intake, it wasn't hard. I mean, what you got to do is, what I started with was disconnecting the battery terminal. I also did pull the fuel pump fuse, turned on the truck, and let the fuel kind of just like burn off, so it wasn't pressurized anymore, because you got to disconnect the fitting for the fuel line to remove the fuel rails. But yeah, pretty much unbolt the intake. The only hard part is when you remove the intake, you do have to remove the map sensor in the back of the truck intake, and you got to drill a hole into the 21 and up GT manifold. You got to drill a hole in it, so that way you can put the map sensor. Let me shut the truck off because it's a little too loud. I don't know if you guys can hear me. But yeah, so you gotta drill a hole into the 18 or 21 and up GT manifold. You gotta shave off the plastic fins in the back, sand it down, drill a hole, put a self-tap screw with the map sensor with some gasket maker. That is the only hard part, I guess, because the only hard part about it is that you gotta find the right position for that sensor. You don't want to put it too low, because if you put it too low, it's gonna hit the fuel rail underneath for the high pressure fuel pump. But other than that, it wasn't hard. Like I said, you just unbolt 6 bolts or whatever amount it is to take off the intake manifold. Yeah, so that's been installed with the ram air. Quick little update for you guys. Back to the drop kit, man. I can't get over how good she looks. She's sitting just right. So once again, I do got to fine tune it. As I mentioned earlier in the video, you guys saw the tires in my garage. Yes, there is going to be a new wheel and tire setup. What it's sitting on right now currently is the 17s with factory tires. It doesn't look too bad, but this is the way I'm going to use it to daily drive when I go to work out of town, and when I come back into town, I'll put on the other wheel and tire setup. But you guys will have to wait for that video to come out to find out which setup I went with. But other than that, guys, once again, drop a comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. If you guys like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Share the video. If you guys are tuning in for the first time, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. There's big plans for this truck, as I mentioned in my previous videos. You know, you guys have been showing some good support. The views have been there somewhat, you know, but yeah, end goal, like I said before, is a Whipple, which they're coming out with the Gen 6 Whipple, so I might need to hold off on that to see how that goes. You know, I heard it's more efficient, makes more power, but that's sometime further in the future. The truck is, well, it's not full bolt-on, which, by the way, I forgot to mention, I did order another performance part, and that'll be for a separate video. But with that part, the truck will technically be full bolt-on. So if you guys know what it has now, you know what's left, then you guys already know what I ordered. But that should be coming in a few weeks, but that'll be for a separate video. So once again, guys, if you guys are tuning in for the first time, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, share the video, comment below what you think, what else y'all want to do. As far as tail lights, as I mentioned before, my color match video, I do want to get the tremor style headlamps as well. Small little things. I'm thinking about getting a wing as well, but all with due time, guys. As promised, you know, drop kit was next, and I got it done. So yeah. All right, guys, well, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. Once again, like, share, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.